In this video, I will show you how to create a repeating custom text-based design for your Zazzle product. Welcome to Financial Freedom Style, it's Trevor. I talk about how to create a drop shadow effect on your customizable text design on Zazzle in my last video. The beginning steps for today's tutorial will be similar to it, but I suggest you check out that video as well just to make sure you get the techniques down for good. Now let's get started on today's topic on my computer. First, you need to pick a product, and for this demonstration, I'm using a combo mug out of the 7 available options. What you want to do next is click on the Add Text button to open the design tool. Type in the text you want for your design and click OK. Then I will pick a font using the right hand side of the toolbar. I will adjust the size of the font. And I will reposition the text to one side of the mug. Try to center it using the green guidelines as well as the mockup previews on the lower right hand corner. Next, on the right hand toolbar, you will scroll all the way down. And you will turn on this button that says make this a template object. Then I will make 3 copies of this text that just turned into a template object. Let me click on the layer tab first to better show you 2 ways to do this. With the text layer highlighted, you can use the top menu, go to Edit, Copy, and Edit, Paste. Or you can use the keyboard shortcuts on a PC. It's Ctrl+C for copy and Ctrl+V for paste. Now I have a total of 4 text layers created. They are all linked together. I will spread them out vertically using the Align tool. I'll simply click and drag. I want to even out their spacings to each other, so I will click and drag to highlight all the layers, and I will go to Align tool again and click on this icon. Now I want to fine-tune their position just to bring them a little bit closer to each other. So I will highlight each of the text layer. On a PC, I will hold the Ctrl key and use the arrow key for nudging. Now I want to pick a color for each of the text layer to make the design more interesting. Yes. Now it's pretty much done. Let's test it out. Click on the Done button on the upper right hand corner. Click on the Personalize button and change the text. There you go. But these repeating custom text don't necessarily have to be in the same font. Let me go back to the Design tool and show you. You will click on the Personalize button again and click on this button to go back to the Design tool. I will click and drag to highlight all the text layer, and I will use the keyboard shortcuts I mentioned before to make a copy. Then I will move the copy on the other side of the mug. I will just change some of the text to a different font that are available in the library. And let's test it out again. Click the Done button on the upper right hand corner. Let's change the mockup view on the other side of the mug. Click on the Personalize button and change the text again. That's it. It's awesome, isn't it? So this is the way you can create a repeating custom text-based design for your Zazzle products for sale. How do you like it? Make sure you try it out yourself to get this down. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button. It will encourage YouTube to show this content to more people who can also benefit from it. Also, subscribe and turn on the bell so you'll be notified when there's new updates on this channel. Check out my other videos about Zazzle and other topics on how you can make money and build yourself a passive income online business. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.